Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your theme in Olymp Trade. If you are on Olymp Trade and you want to switch between light mode and dark mode or any other modes available, then changing the theme can make trading more comfortable. First of all, launch open the Olymp Trade application on your smartphone and log in. Once you're inside the home page of Olymp Trade after logging in, go to the top left corner and tap on the human icon. Once you do that, you'll end up in this expanded menu where you'll need to click Settings at the bottom. Inside the Settings menu, go ahead and select Appearance and Sound at the bottom. Now, under Appearance and Sound, tap the Dark drop-down and you'll see different other color themes you can choose from. Choose any other color themes from the menu and you'll be able to change your theme on Olymp Trade. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.